thought I might just start, as Sharon said, my name's Joey and my little business is essentially me. I started off my essential oil journey, addiction, because my middle daughter, so I have 3 kids, she got diagnosed with celiac disease when she was only 14 months old, and that kind of sent me into a bit of a spiral spin as to what was going on in our house, because my number one priority at that time when I found out she had celiac disease and her whole entire stomach was ruined was that I wanted to get it back up in running order and better than it was before. So quickly after realising and doing lots of research, I had no idea because I just did what my mum and dad did, which was to use the products that they used. But after doing lots of research, I realised we were living in a toxic soup. And the toxins, like for example, the bubble bath I was using, the shampoo, the hand soap, all that kind of thing had pretty scary chemicals in there, which when they go onto your skin, if you don't know, it only takes 26 seconds for a product to absorb into your skin, and then it goes into your bloodstream. And you can't wipe it off. You can't wipe it off your bloodstream. So I quickly realised that when that was happening, it was going into, interrupting her gut biome, which I was crazily fermenting everything. I was making everything from scratch because I lost belief in what was in packaged stuff, because I just wanted to make her better. So along came essential oils, doTERRA essential oils, which I discovered, and the beginning of my journey was to replace the toxic products in my house.